How to use ChatGPT to answer questions, write content, and save time. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your browser if you are on a computer and head to chatgpt.com. Then you will need to sign in with your Google account or just sign up for an account using an email or password. And if you're on a mobile device, you can get the ChatGPT app from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store for Android. And once you install the app, you'll also need to sign in or create an account if you don't have one already. And then you should see this interface right here where you can write chat messages, where you can basically ask anything like explain how AI works, and then you can send the prompt and you should get an answer relatively quickly. And for the paid plan, you should be able to select which model you want to use and how fast it answers. But for free, it's just locked. And you can also use the tasks, for example, for creating images. You can select create image and write your prompt. For example, you can write something like this, make an image of a dog dancing or anything that you want, and send the prompt, and it should generate an image. And as you can see here, it generated the image. You can also use ChatGPT for tasks like writing emails and documents or summarizing text. For example, you can paste a long text here and ask it to summarize it. You can also use it to generate ideas and learning and creating plans. You can ask it to teach you something like you're a beginner or use the features available here. For example, connect it to GitHub to do triage, PR requests, issues, and stuff like that, as well as Canva for creating and reviewing designs. You can also do a deep internet search for certain topics, and you can do a web search to get like live results directly from the internet. You can also attach documents from your computer, like any documents like PDF, CSV files, or different types of files, and ask it to basically modify the files however you want and output the modified file again, which you can download. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.